Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Alchemy. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after the recent sell-off, the price of Alchemy was dropped at a key support of 3.25 cents. And I was telling you that this can be the key demand zone, and from here we can expect a price reversal. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the recent breakout from this descending triangle, let me just show you on the daily time frame chart. And this was the descending triangle, by the way. And after the descending triangle's breakout, we had a very, very powerful pump. And the price then also broke out this very long-term down trend line resistance as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this was a quite long-term down trend line resistance coming from the month of January 2022. We had rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and now we have broken it out. And recently, after the recent sell-off, you can see that the price then was testing this support zone, and it was moving here at 3.25 cents support level. I was telling you that from here we can expect the price reversal because this is a very strong and long-term support that was recently also breaking as a resistance here as well. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously for a few weeks it had been breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And here back in the month of January 2022, it was working as a very, very nice support. And this time it can act as a very, very strong support. And you can see that in fact, it has acted as a very, very strong support in the price and it's geared up. And after this bounce, if I place the measurement tool, by the way, uh, from here, recently we have tested the support here. Then you can see that so far the price line uh, is recovered after touching this support here, slightly moved down than this support and it pumped almost 46%. And right now, it is moving at this downtrend line support. And if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that the price is getting accumulated above this downtrend line support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern and a very, very massive and huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Sonic, previously Phantom Coin, just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Alchemy. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And this was the support, by the way, that I was showing in my previous video. I was telling you that this time it can work as a key demand zone or a key support zone. And you can see that the price line has just touched this support zone. We had a slight extra spike beyond this support. The price line recovered back, did not break down this support, and even did not break down this long-term downtrend line support as well. We had just a spike here downside this support, but the price and recovered back, and now we are having a price accumulation above this previous downtrend line support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that still it is moving above this support, and this is very long-term support, by the way, that was previously breaking other resistance, this downtrend line. It was previously breaking other resistance here in the month of January 2022, and here in the month of March 2024, it was breaking other resistance recently here in the month of December, in the first week of December 2024, we had another rejection and now it can be flipped into a very strong support. This time we had a long spike to the long-term support of 3.25 cents, but the price and even did not break down this downtrend line support. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on these support levels. And now the next upcoming resistance is this one at 5 cents. That is a key resistance, by the way. If we watch previous history of this 5 cents resistance, then you can see that previously it was working as a resistance here in the month of Feb 2023. Before that, it was almost breaking as a resistance here as well. And again, after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, when we had this pump, the price was again rejected by this resistance. And this time I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect that the price can again try to break out this resistance. And by the way, the target for the breakout from this wedge that I was telling you was here. at the top of the wedge at 4.5 cents, and you can see that the price had rallied beyond this resistance of 5 cents but could not break out so far. Now we need to keep an eye on this resistance of 5 cents. And by the way, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this downtrend line, from this descending triangle, and from this falling wedge pattern. But now we can expect that soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. That move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.